In this video, I will show you how to export clips from OpusClip to your social media. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. You can upload a new video to OpusClip, or if you've already uploaded a video, simply double click and open it. You will then see all your videos or shorts. If you see a short that you would like to download, simply double click and open it. You can then see in the right column, you can export XML or download HD. Above that, you will see publish on social. You can then add social accounts that you would like this video to be published to. And now you can export clips directly from OpusClip to your social media accounts. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.